You deserve better air. Better air for your home, for your health, for your loved ones. After all, indoor air is up to 5 times more polluted than outside air. And it's filled with allergens, bacteria, germs, odors, and other irritants. That's why you need a Fellows Aeromax 200 air purifier. It effectively and efficiently removes up to 99.97% of pollutants from indoor air in rooms from 200 to 400 square feet. The powerful filtration system will purify all the air in a 200 square foot room in just 12 minutes, with up to 5 complete air changes per hour. It has an innovative smart sensor to know when there's particulate in the air, automatically adjusting to keep your air clean. It uses a powerful HEPA filter with antimicrobial treatment to continually remove germs and allergens from your room. And it also attacks odors, like cooking fumes, cigarette smoke, and pet smells, using an advanced carbon filter to trap offending odors. Best of all, it's simple to use. Just set it and forget it. And forget about harmful indoor pollution once and for all. Need something a bit smaller? Check out the Aeromax 100 air purifier for rooms from 100 to 200 square feet. Need something to cover larger rooms? Get the Aeromax 300 for rooms 300 to 600 square feet. Breathe easy with healthy air from Fellows Air Purifiers.